In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the King of Shadow title, which is going to give you a massive 62.5% damage boost here in Sailor Peace. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and open up the map just like so, and you need to go ahead and go specifically to the dungeon island. So scroll down a little bit, find the dungeon island, and go ahead and teleport here. And what you're going to need to go and do is enter the double dungeon, and inside this double dungeon, you need to clear all 15 waves repeatedly. The boss you're looking for is the Shadow Monarch V2, and it appears on waves 5, 10, and 15. Every single time you defeat this boss, there's roughly a 0.8% to a 1.15 chance for the King of Shadows title to drop. Yes, it is very rare. Just make sure that you deal at least 10% damage every single time, otherwise you will not qualify for the loot. To farm a title faster, you can server hop after, finishing runs to find fresh dungeon instances instead of waiting. There's also a pity system in place as well, so after defeating 25 bosses, your chances do increase and rare rewards do become guaranteed. But once you finally do get the King of Shadows title, just open up your inventory over here. And of course, the chat pops up when I'm trying to show this. But open up your inventory, go to the titles tab specifically over here. Equip the title by just scrolling down, finding it on here, and opening it up. And you're going to get a huge damage buff, making it perfect for the Shadow Monarch sword upgrades and late game boss farming. If this guy did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.